guys, welcome to my video. My name is Diane. I like to do handbag reviews and different types of reviews. So today's a little bit different. I wanted to do an unboxing of my new Beis carry-on luggage that I ordered on Black Friday, and it came in a couple of days ago, and I've been waiting all week to film this for you. I usually buy my luggages from like Home Goods or Marshalls. It's just so disappointing when my luggage comes around on the baggage claim and the handle is broken or the wheel is not working anymore. I am just looking for a really good luggage that obviously is a carry-on size, but is also reliable enough where I can check it without it being broken, and i.e. some luggage that has a really good warranty program. And so I read a lot about different luggages, and I'm really excited to try this one out. So let's get started. It's my first unboxing on YouTube. I thought it would be a handbag, but look where we are. We're doing a luggage unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. It says, we've all got baggage, glad it's Beis. That's kind of cute. And it comes in, it's wrapped, so I got the beige version, which I thought was going to be really pretty. And it comes in this plastic bag that says Beis. So it looks like it's a pretty good size. They have a black, a gray, and a beige. And this is really cool. So it's to hang a bag on the front, which that's a nice feature. And it's actually really tight in there, so it seems like it'll stay. What I would not want to happen is if this was like loose and hanging and it gets caught on something. But it's actually very retractable, and like I said, it's very tight. So that way it can also hang heavy stuff if I want to hang something on the front. So on the side here, this is where the side handle is, and here's a TSA combination lock, and there are these really pretty shiny gold, really long zipper handles, and it says Beis on there. And here's a really cool feature. The zipper pulls are different than the zipper pulls to expand the luggage, which is super intentional, and I really appreciate how intentional the creators are, because I've had other luggages where it's really hard to tell the difference. And to kind of show you, if I can bring it closer to you. So these longer zippers are to open up the luggage to get inside the bag. And this rounded zipper pull is to open up to expand the luggage, as you can see. So that's a really nice feature. There's a handle on the top, and let's see here. Here's a telescoping handle. I'll try it out, but it seems to be really, really smooth, rolling around, and there's a really nice cushion handle here. Really, that's really nice. And the handles, the handles seem to be pretty sturdy, which is, that's good, because I clearly need sturdy handles with my luggages. I'm not quite sure which handle it is, but one of these handles has a weight indicator, which will tell you if your luggage is over a certain amount of weight. And it must be this one right here. I'm not quite sure how it works, but apparently, I don't know, I have to look on the website, but there's a weight indicator here that if you lift it up, I think if it's over 40 or 50 pounds, it will turn colors. So we'll have to try that out. Here's a little information packet. On the front, like I said, this is a beige color, and there are these like ribbed design that goes all the way around. It feels pretty sturdy. I'm impressed so far. And then on the bottom, it's just regular four wheels that they report are like 360 spinners. Okay, so let's go to the inside. I'm kind of excited about this so far. So I'm just going to open up the luggage. Here on this side of the luggage, there are two compartments, which is nice to put. I like to put like my socks and my shoes and things in there. And then in this side, it's like a PVC plastic material, so it's waterproof is what I read. And then, let's see here. And they're a pretty good size. I'm impressed so far. I'm liking this. And then it comes with two luggage and laundry bags. So this one's funny. This one says dirt bag, and they're a pretty good size, and they feel like pretty good material, and it's just like a tie like a sack tie. It's not a zipper pocket or anything like that. And then this one is a little bit smaller to kind of give you a comparison here. So this one is a little bit smaller and it just says not basic. And it's the same material also with a tie. So that's really nice. Okay. Let me just put that back in there for now. We're off to a good start. I'm actually really excited about this luggage. Okay. And then just opening up here on the compartment, it's just a regular, you open it up and then there is just space to put clothes. Okay. And then, all right, so this side, there's nothing on the back. So it's just literally compartment space to put stuff. And then on this side, let me flip it around so you can kind of see. So this other side is the side with this compression pad. So how it works is, let me see here. Well, if I can get it to open. Okay. Let me see. Okay, so I guess to open it, how I am opening it is, let me bring it up closer. So let me show you up front. So this buckle here is like this, and then on the back, you can see there's a little tiny clasp here. And so the easiest way that I got to open it was just to push up on that clasp on the back side. So to push here, and then that will open it. When I was pressing here, that doesn't really open. So I don't know, I didn't read the instructions, but I guess I will just have to push that little area to open the luggage. Okay, and then so here is the compression. A lot of luggages, not a lot, but I first saw this in the away luggage. There's this compression board, so you're supposed to put your clothes in this side, and then you put this compression board down. You tie these up, and then you pull it tight, and it compresses down the clothes to help give you additional space. And this compression board, let's see here, that's nice. It's more, this pocket is more of a flat pocket, but there is a little rim here that you can see that I'd say is max an inch. So you can kind of put maybe papers or flat items. I don't think you can put a lot of really like wide items in here. I'm a pocket person, so any pockets in anything to allow for better organization, I'm all for. And then on the back here, that's really nice. There's another pocket here on the side. It's mesh, and you can put stuff in here. Okay, so this thing is attached with little buttons. There's buttons here that kind of attach to the interior buttons to keep it in place, or if you didn't want to use this, you could remove it like how I just did. So I like also that can be removed, but I think I'll probably keep it together like that. In here, let me see if I can show you. So the telescoping handle is on this side, and so of course you're going to have that interior, those two things here. So there's a little bit less space because of that. And the other nice thing is here's another pocket here on the inside. Let's see if I can show you. Okay. Oh, I think that view is actually a lot better for you guys. Okay. Right here and on the side, there's this little flap here, and then there's another additional small pocket. And you know, this is kind of reminds me of the away luggage, whereas the away luggage, they also have like these laundry bags, but they tuck it away in this side pocket. So I guess if you're wanting that, you could put that in there. Or what I usually like to do is I like to put like a phone charger or things that are easy access that I always need when I'm traveling. I think this pocket would be really good for. So overall, I think I'm really impressed with this. I really like the organization with all the pockets. There's so many pockets. There's 1, 2, I think that's all on the side. Okay, so there's 2 pockets on this side, and these are quite large, and this one is again like PVC waterproof material, which is nice. 3, 4, 5 pockets. That's a lot of pockets. I'm so excited about this. And then it comes with these laundry bags. in this compression sleeve. I'm really excited about this. I can't wait. I'm traveling next week, and so I am totally going to use this. I am so excited. The regular retail price for this on their website is $198 before tax. I got this on Black Friday, like I said, and so I paid $138 for this. And compared to the away luggage, this is like a steal. And I have the away luggage. I will be making a video shortly to compare the base carry-on luggage with the away, the bigger expandable luggage. So if you're interested, look out for that video. But I'm so excited about this luggage. The only thing that I wish this luggage had is a little place to put a laptop. But now that I'm thinking about it, I'm wondering if I can put the luggage on this compression sleeve part right here on the top, because there is a little lip that I think will be just wide enough to allow me to put my laptop right there. So I have I'm so excited. You guys, I'm so excited about this bag. Overall, my first impressions of this luggage, I would give it a very, very high rating. I'm not gonna give it an exact number, but I am super excited about this. And so far, just opening it up, going through the features, comparing it to my other luggages, I would recommend it. I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to be doing an in-depth review comparison of this base carry-on luggage with the away carry-on luggage. And so if you're interested, be on the lookout for that video. But that's it for today's videos. If you liked it, if you have any other comments or questions that I can try to answer, comment down below. Otherwise, yeah, I'll see you next time.